everybody. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And today I wanted to talk to you about what I'm thinking about doing with a couple of my decor pieces from my house. Because I remember telling you guys that I was going to refurbish some stuff in the house instead of spending money buying new things. I mean, I still do, but I want to try to make things new by revamping them. So the first thing I want to do is I want to paint this, and because the turquoise just isn't my color, but I did like the stands, especially for my fake bakes. But what I want to do, and this, which let me show you, I've had forever. I have two of them, and I put wreaths on them sometimes in my living room. But you see here where it's kind of a cream, but then underneath here it's black. It's real rustic, like a shabby chic, because these go on the wall. So I thought, you know what, that's what I'm going to do with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it black first. Okay, now I could spray paint it, and I do have 2 cans of black spray paint that I bought from Amazon, but I bought them for my table and chairs that are in my lanai in the front, my front yard, because through the years the weather has, it's taken off the paint. So I want to spray paint them black. So I'm not going to use the spray paint. I'm just going to go ahead with some acrylic. And I'm going to come in and I'm going to paint all this black, let it dry, and then I'm going to come in with a chalk paint, this color, because I have this color, and I'm going to go over all of it, and then I'm just going to take off certain spots so you can see the black through it. And I think that's going to look really cool. When I do it, I will do it with you. So yeah, because this, remember I painted this, and this is that cream color too. So it's basically, this will look cool, and I'll put some fake bakes on it. I don't know if Hobby Lobby still has this or not. I got it a couple years ago. But anyway, so with all that being said, what I did order when it was Prime Day or whatever that was a few days ago, remember? I had a really big tiered tray. Well, it was actually a triple. And you've seen it many times. I've decorated it for years for different holidays, but it was so big, so big. And so I took it apart and put it in my shed. And since I'm doing more of the white and the black and the creams and all that, I went ahead and I ordered this. And this is from Witt's Breeze. Well, can you see that? Take a screenshot. Wooden 2-tiered tray, rustic decoration for any occasion. Okay. And you'll see where I'm going with this. So as you can see, this goes good with this. And this is wood, and it's got the brown underneath and then the white on top. But this is a little bit more, well, it's got cream and white, but it's going to go perfect. So that's why I wanted to do that other tiered tray, the black and then the cream. Anyway, so I'm just going to put this together with you guys. Okay, so we're supposed to go, they're showing a round one, but the concept is the same. All right, so here's the washer and the handles. And I wanted a square one because I haven't had a square one. I wanted to do something different. And it's a pretty good size. So, let's see. Okay, so first we're going to put these 2 pieces together. Okay. And then it's the smaller, it's this one, so I'm going to take off the nut, and this goes up here like this. Oh, I got it the wrong way. Okay. It's hard to hold this with one. Okay, then okay, so when you put this through, you want to put it where this is up like this, where it has the ledge. And then what I like about this one too is, do you see the height that there is here? A lot of these trays don't leave you very much room, so you can't hardly put anything of height. But look, I could do a fake bake on this and still put a topper and it'll be fine. And look at the room. I really, really like this. Okay, I'm going to go off because I have to maneuver this to where I can put the nut and the washer on the bottom, and then I'll be back. It really is a good size. So yep, there you go. And I'll be filling this up before you know it. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.